Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. Today we're going to talk about how to care for Lithops indoors. This video will explore the general care requirements you need to ensure your succulents will thrive at home, so make sure you stick around for that. Here's how to do it. Provide ample sunlight. For lithops to thrive, they require a lot of sunlight. The succulents should be placed in an area that allows them to receive 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. It can be done by placing it on a windowsill facing south or east, where it will also receive partial shade in the afternoon. Even though lithops can tolerate harsh sunlight, it is essential to remember that too much heat can cause sunburn and damage the succulents. During summer, placing them in less sunny spots or providing them with cover if their containers absorb too much heat is advisable. On the other hand, insufficient sunlight can cause the leaves to be elongated, so finding the perfect spot for the succulent to absorb the right amount of sun is crucial. Ensure adequate hydration. Lithops have adapted to flourish in a dry environment. As such, they do not need to be watered frequently. The soil should be completely dry before watering the succulents during warmer seasons like spring and summer. In colder seasons like fall and winter, lithops typically go dormant and do not require watering. However, watering may be necessary if the leaves start to shrivel or if the plant feels softer to the touch when gently squeezed. Proper leaves treatment. The splitting of lithops is a natural process that indicates a new growth cycle. This process involves mature lithops splitting into two separate individuals. The outer leaves that split offer vital nutrients to the new leaves that are emerging, and as such, it is recommended not to remove them, as that will damage the plant by disrupting its natural growth process. It is important not to water the plant until the outer leaves are absorbed and dry. Use the correct soil mix. Lithops need to drain soil properly so that it does not retain moisture. As such, mixing sand, pebbles, and other coarse materials that promote soil drainage is recommended. This gravelly mixture helps prevent waterlogging of the soil, which in turn promotes the plant's overall health, as too much water can lead to root rotting. Lithops also do not require a lot of nutrients to thrive, which means the soil mix should have little to no organic materials. These organic materials also retain moisture, which is not conducive to lithops. Maintain proper temperature. Lithops are succulents that can survive at 90 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit and thrive in average household temperatures, usually between 50 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. It is vital to place the succulent in a position exposed to as much sunlight as possible. Fertilizing requirements. Lithops are native to plant soils containing little to no nutrients, so the plant does not require fertilization. Fertilizing becomes necessary if you want the plant to produce flowers during its blooming season, which is in spring. To adequately fertilize lithops, you will need a small amount of cactus fertilizer that is heavily diluted with water. This fertilizer should be incorporated into the soil mix, must be low in nitrogen and high in potassium. It should not be applied directly to the leaves, as this will damage the plant. So there you have it. These simple tips make taking care of lithops easy. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure to drop them below and like this video. Till next time.